Oh yeah, we're back and we're excited. Yeah. We got the birthday. We got the Christmas girl on.
Right off her slide.
Exactly. MJ Hennesy is here, Discount Furniture. We laughed so hard. You walked in and we both went, no way.
Well, I mean, honestly, it's so fitting because you have such a great sense of humor. It just, if anyone was going to walk in with
that. Exactly.
Right? She's working it.
Because Christmas is your time of the year. It brings you joy and happiness. I know this.
And she's very giving
and she's
at this time of year.
so giving at this time of year.
That's good.
Whoa! Yes, dear. Did you hear what she was talking about in real estate? This is a good, really, entree or segue for us with you here today.
Yes.
Because we were talking about ways to sell your home, pieces of furniture and rooms that are most important. Mm-hmm. And she said kitchens are really important, correct?
Yes.
What about bedrooms, mattresses? I judge rooms, you know this. I judge a room when I go in, especially a bedroom, by the mattresses that they have.
Yeah.
Do you really?
I do.
Yeah.
Wow.
I do.
Also, you know,
she's a mattress
not
snob.
to take over.
I am.
Not to take over. Also, right. Even in the villas, you know, because I find
that's
that as
what
well.
I mean.
Yeah,
yes.
you know, they have. It's nothing wrong to have those works when they vacation and stuff. And so I saw a lot of investment, you know, villas and stuff. So yeah, talk about that.
But can you tell? By
She's
looking
like,
at it, can you tell?
Oh,
yeah,
absolutely.
You guys have the trained eyes. So
yeah.
you can walk in a room,
or
see
we're
it,
lazy
and rate it.
So this is
when it's
not even sitting
if
up.
it's low and flat and narrow, it's old.
That's right.
Okay.
And full of bed bugs.
Time to replace it.
I look at us, but I do judge
Those are
that when
people don't talk about.
when I walk into a villa and look at it, the first thing I do before I mean the kitchen I can handle,
right?
But when I look at all the bedrooms,
you do,
because I think that tells you that they are changing out their mattresses. And what's the rule of thumb for that? Because I don't think a lot of people know how often you should change them.
Well, they've gone to 8 years now,
right?
And we see beds that come out. You know, you think about them as new, but we see them when they come out, and they're not all pretty or
What's
usable.
changed about mattresses? Because I think that's one of the things that's given them extended life too. I mean, I think the fillings are different. Most of them you don't have to flip.
Right.
I mean, there are a lot of, they're thicker. You know, you've got a lot more up. Why don't I just answer the question for you?
Yeah,
you're doing
Please
great.
tell us more.
Oh yeah, please tell us more. You just look good today. I got you covered.
That's fine.
You gotta have a wingman.
Yeah, exactly.
But seriously, go ahead. You know more than I do. I learned from you.
You just know when your mattress dies, you know your back starts hurting, and it's about 8 years. And if you think it's not time, it is time.
And another thing, you start sneezing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You got mites. You got, you know, all kinds of things.
That's
What is the typical? Are mattresses thicker? Are they more dense? I mean, what kinds of mattresses are available out there?
You got everything now.
Okay.
And the key is to find somebody who knows what they're talking about and has a vested interest in your happiness.
Okay.
You know, if somebody really doesn't know anything, walk out the door.
Here, I'm going to ask.
But that mattresses are on sale. Let's talk about what they would really like. This month, for the rest of the month until December 31st at 5 o'clock, call me Monty Hall.
Everything must go.
Yeah, because I've been for 30 years. I've been counting that stuff on New Year's Day
I know.
every year.
So over it.
It gets old.
Exactly.
We gotta help you out.
Yeah.
Come on in. I'm dead serious. It's like
Really?
Oh yeah.
So, do you sell a lot of the mattresses that do this and this? And
That's what I have.
Do
I
you?
love it. Yes, I love it.
I do too.
I love it.
You have one too?
Yes. It makes it easy, especially as we age. It's easy to get out of bed. If I want to watch TV, I can just kind of set it up. Before we were adjusting pillows and everything, so I definitely.
Do you sell pillows too?
Oh yeah. We sell sheets, pillows, mattress pads, bed bug covers, you name it. We've
Bed bug
got
spray?
it. Quilts.
The spray?
No, I don't do the spray.
No. Because she's under the assumption she's a no bed bug kind of girl.
It's just so nasty. Yeah, I know. It's awful.
It is.
Yeah, so, and it's good. And another thing I'm noticing, what about the colors? And, you know, like when you're doing, because you were telling me you're doing oceanfront. So when you're doing oceanfront, let's talk about the colors. Because I'm telling you, I fight a lot of times. Well, I don't say fight, but I'm going to win. I'm the godmother. But at the end of the day, with the color choices of what you should have, you know, everybody thinks, oh, it's so beachy, or And I'm like, upgrade it, because if it's a rental, it will rent for more. And put
That's
good
right.
furniture in it. Nothing worse than stanky furniture. Ugh.
She's the queen. You talk
Yeah.
about, yeah, you are.
Yeah. Exactly.
She's very flexible as long as you do what is the right thing.
Exactly.
Because you
You
get a
do
bang
a
for
lot
your
of
buck.
beach
Oh my gosh,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely.
I mean,
Absolutely.
you've done everything from condos to big, huge, sprawling.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, we're in the middle of a 6-bedroom oceanfront home.
That's right.
Oh,
redoing
nice.
it,
And what's the
it's-
color scheme?
That's got to be fun.
Exactly.
You know, are we out of time?
Yeah. We are, but keep on going. We want to finish this.
Give us that nugget.
Give us that pearl of wisdom.
The pearl of wisdom is to keep it simple lines.
Yes.
Very color.
Yes.
You know, it doesn't have to be monochromatic.
Right.
It doesn't have to look like a bowl of oatmeal when you walk in, but it needs to have some color, and simple is in right
Less
now.
is more.
Less
Yeah.
is
Exactly.
more, yes.
Now we're going to take a break. Stay with us. There's more to come on Girl Talk.